Hello you guys, what's up? What's going on? If you are here for the first time, hi, I'm Kalpana. I make makeup and lifestyle related videos. Welcome to my channel. Today when I'm filming this video, it's Saturday. That is my shoot day. In case you don't know, I have a full-time IT job from Monday to Friday. Weekends are only time when I can shoot my videos both for YouTube and Instagram. So yeah, I just cannot wait to wrap this video soon so that I can enjoy rest of my day, because then tomorrow on Sunday I have to film again. So yeah, that's how my schedule is. That's how I manage my full-time job with YouTube. I just filmed an IGTV on this makeup look. So if you want to know how I got this, then head to my Instagram account. I will put the handle somewhere on the screen and it is always in the description box. So make sure you check that out and follow me on Instagram. Okay, so last month I went to beach vacation to GOKARNA, which is like a small town in Karnataka. People call GOKARNA South Goa or smaller version of Goa. I have not been to Goa yet. Yes, you heard me right. I have not been to Goa, so I cannot say whether that's true or not. But what I can say is it's a beautiful, beautiful place. It had amazing beaches and it was not even crowded. I just cannot tell you how amazing my vacation was. I thoroughly enjoyed. So this video is a sort of lookbook of GOKARNA, where I'm going to tell you what I wore each day and where I got those stuff from. So yeah, that would be interesting, I think, because I love watching lookbook. I love knowing what people wore and where they got from, so that I can see if I can also get something interesting from that. Just a disclaimer before we start. This trip was very last minute trip. I wasn't even planning to go. I and my sister initially planned to go to some hill station or Mysore or maybe something like that, but beach was never on my mind. And also I've spent 1 year working from home, so I was not even investing in clothes much, and that too beach clothes doesn't make sense. I didn't expect we would go to beach vacation anytime soon. So yeah, I wore some basic stuff that I already had. We did not actually get the time to go for shopping, so I packed whatever I already had. It was 3 days trip and I wore 5 outfits in total. Okay, so this is what I wore for the first day. The top is from Lifestyle that I picked at very last moment, and this actually looked pretty good. Like, I was so surprised. Okay, so in Lifestyle I every time get something for like 300-400, you know, that last stock left wala thing. Nobody looks at them actually and nobody picks them up, but I really find interesting. I have one more such top which is also nice, and I really wanted that dye wala fabric. I think it was for 250 or 300. It was very inexpensive, but let me tell you, quality wise, look wise, it was so amazing. I did not have any such similar top currently, so yeah, I picked it up and I'm really glad. The pictures in this top came out so nice. My makeup looked bomb. Yes, I do wear makeup even on beach, and the clips that you can see in my hair, oh my god, I picked them again from Lifestyle because this was the only nearest store to my apartment, so this is where we could manage to go just before leaving for the trip. The denim shorts that I'm wearing are from Kamla Nagar market. It is a local market in Delhi. If you are living near this market, please make sure to check this out. It is amazing market. All the stuff you will get is very high quality and very budget friendly. I think I paid 250 or 200 for this short, and I wore it like 4-5 times already. So it's very comfy. The fabric is also fine. So yeah, it was win-win deal, I guess. And both of them looked so pretty together. In evening, we went to the beach again to enjoy the sunset and just chill and have tea, coffee, pakora, samosas, whatever. Because it had like 50 restaurants. Because it had like around 50 to 60 restaurants at the beach itself. So we just wanted to relax and feel very calm. So for that, I wore this maxi dress. This was something that I picked from Indian wear section from Lifestyle itself. It was also on sale, like 1 pay 1 wala. So I think we paid 999 for both of these pieces. Cool, yeah. It was so comfortable and so beach like vibes. This maxi dress felt so comfortable. It was so easy, breezy, relaxing kind of maxi dress. I really loved it. Let me see the picture to check if I was wearing any accessories. Okay, so these hoop earrings are again from Kamla Nagar market. I just randomly picked before coming to Bangalore from Delhi. So yeah, Also the sunglasses that I'm wearing, I picked them from Kamlanagar market. Okay, next day, this is a play suit, off shoulder play suit that I wore. Actually, I did not buy it recently. I worn this play suit in one of my YouTube videos also, the one where I did electric blue makeup. I got it last year around my birthday in November from Myntra. This is from the brand called Sera, SERA, and I think I paid 650 for this, and it is amazing. My sister was telling me that you would end up, you know, pulling this up all the time and it would be really uncomfortable. It was so pretty and sexy, and I wanted to try this out, so I just ignored my sister. And trust me, the elastics were so comfortable. They were not like very tight on the skin, and they were not even loose. I was not even adjusting it all the time, so yeah, that was good. Also, this look could be a little too much for a lot of few people, especially for a beach, but it was fine for me, so yeah, I don't care. The earrings, sunglass, hairpin, all are same. I've already told you. And on lips, I am wearing Nykaa matte liquid lipstick in the shade Chai. This is amazing shade. If you are into like dark brown shade, this would be your favorite. Okay, so first time I wore this on my Pondicherry trip 2 years ago, and the pictures, oh my god, they were like so amazing. Not just because of the lipstick, but the top I was wearing was also very sexy. I was just trying to find that picture. So this is the picture that I'm talking about. I really loved this. Vibe is so beachy. I just loved it. So this shade is like my favorite, especially for super sunny days. It looks so pretty, and I topped it from a dark brown lipstick from Chambord. I don't remember the name. I will link it in the description box. Okay, all right, let me see what was the other dress. Okay, so this is very funny. I wanted to click some pictures in bikini or something that's look, you know, very sexy, very hot or something like that. So yeah, some really short clothes. So I borrowed this bikini top from her. I think we call it tie-up bikini or something like that. I'm not sure if there is a specific term. So she got this from Goa last year, but then GOKARNA is like a really small town, and wearing these bikinis and such short clothes might not be like that comfortable. So what we did, we just got up in the morning and ran to the beach, clicked these pictures, and I was also carrying this sleep shirt. This is again I borrowed from my sister. So once we were done with the pictures, I wore this shirt, and then we had breakfast at beach. So basically वो जो भीड़ भाड़ वाला प्राइम टाइम हो जाता है ना, जब सारी फैमिलीज और सब लोग आ जाते हैं, हम उससे पहले ही अपना बिकनी शूट करके निकल गए थे. मुझे क्योंकि शर्ट हटा के फोटो लेना था. I was just dying to get such pictures. अब प्राइम टाइम में लेना लाइक थोड़ा सा मुश्किल था, and it is also not like कि एक पिक्चर खींच लो and done, you know, right? We click 100 pictures, 150 pictures, and then we just post one. Okay, so ये बिकनी शूट करके we went to our room and we changed, and this is what I wore. This lovely polka dot crop top is from Only. This was for 1700 and I bought it last year. It looks so stunning. The color is so good, so unique, and I just love this one. The shorts that I'm wearing are my most comfortable, most worn short. These are from Dressberry. The fitting is very comfortable. The fabric is so good. It looks very good. I got it like 4 years back, and I've worn it like so many times. It is still like this. Not even a thread has gone from here to there. Also, the slippers that I'm wearing here are from Bahamas. They were cheap, I think 200, 250, and the quality is actually very good. And also it was going with this outfit very well. So yeah, that's why I wore it. That's it, you guys. These were the outfits that I wore in GOKARNA. If you like these outfits, you can take reference for your next beach vacation. Give a big thumbs up to this video if you enjoyed watching this. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos. If you are not following me on Instagram, then please do follow. I'm putting a lot of makeup tutorials exclusively on Instagram, so yeah, go follow me there. This is my handle, and it's also in description box, so yeah, check it out. Now I'm just going to take off this makeup and change into my comfortable pajamas, and I'm going to enjoy the rest of my Saturday. So yeah, I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.